How to straighten crooked images on Photoshop. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So for you to do this, all you have to do is click on the ruler to ruler tool, and you can do this by right clicking on the eyedropper tool. So by default the eyedropper tool will be available, but once you right click on it, you can see the ruler tool option, and once you click on the ruler tool, you can go ahead and create a line on the plane which you want to make sure is horizontal. And once you do that, you can go ahead and click on straighten layer, and that's it. The layer is now straightened, it is no more crooked, and you can see the difference by clicking on the history. So I can go ahead and show you that. So this was the original image, and once you click on straighten using the ruler tool, it is magically straightened. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys learned a little bit of Photoshop from this video and it helped you guys, and if it did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.